Hello, Ken here from Chile Oxnard, and today I'm going to do a video on our pointer sticks. As you can see, it says pointer stick, and we've been selling these for a while. They have not had this little pretty lanyard on them. Now we've started including this lanyard on it, which works out really great. You can grip it real good. So this is made out of all aluminum. This is 16 inches long, and yes, it bends a little bit. Unlike the stainless, that's really sturdy, but this is much lighter than the stainless. And as a good diver, we should have good buoyancy. So having it bend a little bit should not bother us one bit. It's great for pointing, and you can just steady yourself just a little bit if you're taking pictures. And with the handle, it gives you something good to hold on to instead of just like a little ring or holding on to the stainless rod. We also have on these a 1/4 inch threaded hole, so you can attach one of our BA-HB balls to it. And when you do, you can add a clamp and a light, or you can even add a GoPro to this if you wanted to. And this works out really good. As you can see, you turn on your light, you can shine it where you're pointing. It works out great. So if you're in the market for one, we have them in stock. If you don't find your nearest dealer that would have one, you can always contact us and buy one directly from us. Other than that, have a great day and happy diving.